We are here hanging in Les Salins. This is Sunday. We arrived 2 days ago. We are still on holiday, let's say, and tomorrow the plan is to start working aboard. We fixed some of the issues that were left after the ocean crossing. So we added a new system to hold efficiently the two autopilot system. Christine gave a very nice painted to the bar, and we are producing a new stick here. Then I mounted the wind generator. We had it repaired. So now today what I have to do is to re-insulate the cable. Friends, sailors, it's 1 week. We are here in Martinique now. Christine and me, we are working aboard, and I'm going to swim in the afternoon. Western side of the beach of Les Salins. The place is amazing, as you can see, and it's really desert. This is Wednesday, 31 of March, and starting from tomorrow there will be a lockdown with
bottom of the ocean.